This is a short tutorial on using the advanced search features of the Big Ten Academic Alliance Geoportal, which contains more than 100,000 geospatial data resources, including scanned maps, aerial imagery, and many important vector and raster datasets. In this video, we will explore how to search for maps. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's imagine we're searching for georeferenced maps of Purdue University in West Lafayette, Indiana, from the year 1925. Notice that on the Big Ten Academic Alliance Geoportal homepage, we already have some filters available right at the top for maps, datasets, web services, imagery, or websites pertaining to geospatial data. Let's go ahead and click Maps. We still have over 50,000 results for this particular search. So one of the simplest ways to narrow our options is to search for the term campus to look for campus maps using the search bar. Now we have two filters applied: only resources categorized as maps, and items using the term campus somewhere in their metadata. We still have a large number of options. In these instances, the faceted search tools in the bottom left empower users to narrow down results even further. We have filters for year, enabling date range searches. We also have filters for places, narrowing options to specific locations. We can filter by resource class or subtype. And it's possible to filter by language, creator, publisher, etc. In this particular case, we can click on Indiana to filter our results only to those that fall within the state of Indiana. Notably, there are also more specific places within Indiana that can be selected. If a particular location does not appear on the place list, you can click on the More button to see more available options. I did say that we were searching for georeferenced maps as well. That's also a filter down at the bottom. I'm going to click this to restrict our results only to those that are already georectified. Now we're pretty close. However, we haven't specified the year. Because I'm looking for 1925 specifically, I'll enter 1925 as both the starting and ending year, and click Apply. There's only one remaining option that matches all of our search criteria. I'll click it. Selecting an item from the results brings up the full description. I also have a small map that shows the location of the item with a bounding box. Below that location map is the option to download the GeoTIFF directly. There's also a link to visit the source directly as well. I'll click the GeoTIFF option to begin my download. Thank you for watching.